Suppose you are alone on a street at 12 am and dogs started chasing after you. At that time, your brain will coordinate your body to run at the speed of 40 km per hour through some chemicals which are known as catecholamines. Catecholamines are actually biologically active amines which are the nitrogen products. These includes dopamine, epinephrine and norepinephrine. All these have their own name with respect to their function. And yes, there is a mnemonic at the end of this video, so stay with us. All catecholamines are formed from tyrosine, an aromatic and alcoholic amino acid. So this is tyrosine compound. It has an aromatic ring, a hydroxyl group and one amino propanoic acid. It undergoes hydroxylation in the presence of tyrosine hydroxylase and a cofactor BH4. As a result, a molecule is formed which is known as 3,4-dihydroxyphenylalanine. And if we look closer, this is phenyl, this is alanine, and these are two hydroxyl group. Hence, it is dihydroxyphenylalanine. And its other name is dopa. And if we remove COO from this molecule in the presence of dopa decarboxylase, then we get dopamine. So this is dopa and this is amine, dopamine. Now on the side chain of dopamine, more specifically beta carbon, we will attach a hydroxyl group in the presence of enzyme dopamine beta hydroxylase. This enzyme requires vitamin C and copper for its proper functioning. Now we get norepinephrine. It has a phenyl group, an ethane with alcohol or ethanol and an amine group. So it is called phenylethanol-amine. Now it undergoes methylation in the presence of enzyme phenylethanol-amine methyltransferase. Its cofactor is S-adenosylmethionine that converts into S-adenosyl homocysteine from SAM to SAHC. Now we get epinephrine. Now let's revise this. This is tyrosine, which converts in the presence of tyrosine hydroxylase and tetrahydrobiopterin or BH4 into 3,4-dihydroxyphenylalanine, which is also known as dopa. It then undergoes decarboxylation in the presence of dopa decarboxylase and forms dopamine. This dopamine molecule undergoes hydroxylation in the presence of dopamine hydroxylase plus copper and vitamin C and forms norepinephrine. Finally, this norepinephrine undergoes methylation in the presence of phenylethanol-amine methyltransferase and forms epinephrine. Now it's time to break these catecholamines into products. Keep it a note, the breakdown of epinephrine and norepinephrine is same. However, it is different for dopamine. Epinephrine undergoes methylation by the transfer of methyl group from S-adenosylmethionine in the presence of enzyme catechol-O-methyltransferase aka COMT, and it forms metanephrine, which undergoes oxidation in the presence of monoamine oxidase and forms vanillyl mandelic acid. Same reaction happens through norepinephrine, which is the methylation in the presence of COMT and normetanephrine formation, then its oxidation in the presence of MAO and the formation of vanillyl mandelic acid. There is a second pathway also, which is here. Epinephrine and norepinephrine undergoes oxidation via monoamine oxidase and forms dihydroxymandelic acid, which undergoes methylation in the presence of COMT and forms vanillyl mandelic acid. Now for dopamine, it is different. It breaks down by two pathways. First, under the presence of COMT, the formation of methoxytyramine, and then under monoamine oxidase, the formation of homovanillic acid. The second pathway is in the presence of monoamine oxidase, the formation of dihydroxyphenyl acetic acid, and then under the presence of COMT, the formation of homovanillic acid. So here is a mnemonic as I promised. Tied the phenol with rope, but never eat. Here, tied is tyrosine, phenol is phenylalanine, rope sounds like dope, So ROP is dopamine, never is norepinephrine, and 8 is epinephrine, which makes sense to the sequence of formation of catecholamines. And here is the complete pathway. You can pause the video and learn it. And here ends our catecholamines metabolism. Hope you guys like the video. See you next time.